Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to save report profiles. Saving report profiles enables you to store the settings and parameters of the newly set up report. This eliminates the need to reselect all of the settings each time a similar report needs to be generated, saving you time. For the purpose of this video, we'll be starting on the report screen. Click on the Add New button to open the report profile screen. Select the desired report category, which in this case is going to be data. Next, select the desired report type. As an example, we'll be using the data drill down report. The settings and parameters of the data drill down report will open. Complete all of the necessary information to build the report. If you would like to know more about the different settings and parameters for the data drill down, please refer to the data drill down report settings and parameters user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the arrow next to the Generate Report button. Click on the Save and Generate button. The Save New Profile screen will open. Type the name you wish to allocate to the new report profile and then finally click on the OK button. The saved profile will now be available under the drop-down on the Settings and Parameters screen.